So we have one more question here. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 cm by 10 cm is to be sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So you have a rectangular box. Okay, so you have a rectangular box, and let's suppose that the top, I'm just drawing the top view of this box, that is the top portion that you have to seal. So if I draw it like this, something like this. Okay, so just imagine that this is a top view of the rectangular box. So you are looking at the lid, and if you have to seal this portion, right, the sides of this rectangular box is 40 cm by 10 cm. Always remember, if ever you are given like this, 40 cm by 10 cm or 40 cm 10 cm, that is times 10 cm. This also represents by 40 cm by 10 cm if it is represented in this way, or even let's say simply A by B centimeter. If this is given for a rectangular field, then always think that A is the length and B is the breadth of that given figure. So in this case, if it is 40 cm by 10 cm, that can be written in this fashion. So the length will be 40 cm and the breadth will be 10 cm. So looking at the top view of the rectangular box, now you have to seal this lid. Now of course, if you start your tape from here, that is starting from here and going all around the top of the box, and then finally you seal at this position again from where you started. So this will be what? This will be actually that you are covering a distance that is equal to the perimeter, right? And that will give you the length of the tape required to seal this lid of this rectangular box. So what's the perimeter? If I denote the perimeter by P in this case, so what's the perimeter of a rectangular field or rectangular box or rectangular figure? That is 2 times length, that is 40, plus breadth, that is 10. So this will be 2 times 50, and this will give you 100 centimeter. Or you can change this 100 centimeter into meter, then that will be equal to what? 1 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So in this way you can find the length of the tape required to seal the lid of this rectangular box. Always try to draw a rough diagram or figure whenever you are dealing with word problems.